Hi everyone. So today we're going to be going over how to use Google Classroom. So first off, Google Classroom allows teachers to create, assign, and grade assignments without the use of paper. So students can go online and submit assignments at any time, and teachers can set due dates for those assignments. So first off, I'm going to show you how the website works. So to make a class, you press the little plus sign at the top and press Create Class. I'm just going to call this Gaji for the purpose of the video. And then you press create and you can add section, subject, and a room number. So then after you fill in the information you would like, you would press create and your classroom will pop up. So first, this is the home page. This is where the first page students will see, you will see, or anyone. You can select a theme up here. You can select any one you want and it will change it. Press select class theme. Or you can upload a photo, which could be a photo of the class or some assignments, artwork. On the left here, you have upcoming assignments, and this is what work will be due soon. You would see it on this side. You can also post little assignments here, reminders to your class. I'll just write welcome so you can see how it works. And then it would appear here, and all the students would see this. Next, we have classwork, and this is where you'll create any assignments, tests, or quizzes, questions you want. So to do that, you will go up here and press create, and these are all the options you can choose from. We will make a question just so I can show you how. I will just ask, what is your favorite color? And then you can add instructions for the students also. You decide how many points it is. I'm going to change it to 10. Add a due date. Add a topic if you're trying to keep things organized into chapters, sections, or modules. Choose what kind of answer it's going to be, whether short answer or multiple choice. Students can reply to each other and students can edit answers. So after you've done everything you want, you can press ask and it will post your question. So if you click on it, you can see how many people turned it in. You can view the question and do all of that. So let's go back. And then also on this page, there is a Google Classroom. So on this, you can add whatever events. You can change what kind it is. And just, it's a nice organized way to keep students on track. The last feature of this is people. And so at the top, it will be the teacher's name. You'll see my name there. And then below will be a list of all the students in the class. There are no students on this because I just made it for demonstration. But to get students or invite them, you can use this code right here, and that's how students will find your website. Also, after you post a question, it will pop up on here on the feed, so students will get the most recent thing you post, and they'll know that they have a new assignment due. All right, that's everything. Thank you for watching.